Hi guys, this is Sunny. Welcome you all on my YouTube channel, My Studies by Sunny Singh. As per my previous recording, I'm here back with the next video, and today in this video, I will be teaching you all on the topic, that is models. Guys, as in my previous video, we have discussed about the verbs and helping verbs. So models are the part of one of the auxiliary verbs. So we will discuss about it. When we define the term model, you know it's the word used to express mood or attitude of the person or subject. Remember, model subject की mood को express करता है. The attitude of the person doing the work is expressed. And the very important thing is, model can be used in a sentence with main verbs only. It never gives its meaning without main verbs. It will give you the meaning with main verbs only. Now let's come to know one more thing you should know, that models are also used to express manner of the work. In which manner anybody does the work, that is also expressed with the use of the models. Now let's come to know about those words which are in the categories of models. Here are the listers. First one is the commonly used models. In the commonly used models, you can count all these 10 words like can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, ought to. Guys, आपको एक चीज ध्यान देनी होगी यहाँ पे. कैन कुड मे माइट, इन सब में आप ध्यान से अगर देखें तो कैन, मे, विल, सेल, मस्ट, इनका जो पास्ट फॉर्म होता है वो ये सारे वर्ड्स हैं. मीन्स कैन का पास्ट फॉर्म कुड, मे का माइट, विल का वुड, सेल का शुड एंड मस्ट का ought to. Remember, in direct and indirect speech, we change can into could, or like you should say, these all are changed into past form. Guys, and after these all 10, means these 5 and these 5, the rest 3 model auxiliaries are called semi models. Why are they called semi models and what are they? Let's find out. Dare, need, and used to are called semi models because they are partially used as models in a sentence or partially used as main verbs in a sentence, which I have already described with the example in my previous videos. Why are they used as the main verbs and why are they used as the model auxiliary verbs? You can watch them if you have not watched. Now, let's remember some of the important points related to models जो आपके जानने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. Whenever, जब कभी भी हम इन मॉडल्स का यूज अपने सेंटेंसेस में करते हैं, हमें इनके साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब का यूज करना पड़ता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड रूट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. रिमेंबर गाइस, वी ऑलवेज यूज द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द verb with all the models. All the models, I must say, all the models take first form of the verb. Second thing which you have to remember, if there is have after model, if there is have, then we use the third form like model plus have. Let's see how. I can have done this. So this I can have, could have, I might have, with all of them you can use have. And then if there is have after model, then the third will come. Now the rule, note number third, very essential points which everybody should notice or remember before learning them. Remember guys, when we change their passive forms, active to passive, and the sentence contains a model, after the model auxiliaries, we use be and the third form into passive. I have indicated here PV. You can take the screenshot of the video if you wish to know more about it. or like you can learn and remember. Guys, now next note is says do not change according to person or number. Remember, these modal auxiliary verbs never never change their form according to person or number, or you should say according to subject. Like you can say with the example, if I use the subject I and the verb write, then first, as for the first form, I can write. If I take can as the model auxiliary verbs, so can will be the model auxiliary verb, and write is the root form, right? Now the second thing is just you can see with can any subject may come, like he can write, she can write, we can write, they can write. Here with the change of the person, first person, second person or third person, and with the change of the number, this verb will never change, or models will never change. So these all models can be used with the all subjects freely. Remember. Now let's come to know about their combined uses. These all are those words which have special features with them. We will be talking about their special features in my next videos. Today we will talk about the special features, special uses of can and could. But before that, you should know that these models are used to express permission, possibility, probability of doing something, that ability, suggestions, advice, necessity. You can just know about the uses of need as the necessity. So remember, need, necessity. Obligation is the word like which you have to do, there is no other option. In these list, among these list of models, there is one more that is added nowadays, and that is have to. Nowadays have to is also used as the model auxiliaries. They are used in some of the sentences. So remember, obligation is the part of have to, or have to is the part of obligation. Offer, prohibition is the thing which we cannot do, we should not do. There is no like other way out, we have to do that work, that prohibits. So for these all purpose we use models. If you want to be a good speaker, if you want to be a learner of language and improve your way of learning, then you should know models. Models can help you to develop your ideas and express them among the people. That's why, guys, uses of models are very essential and are the unique part of language learning. Now, with these all features, let's talk about the uses of two separate models today. And in my next video, I will be talking about all these and all the models. So let's talk about uses of can and could today. Guys, when we talk about can, you can use can with all the subject. So as I have already written example for you, I can write. Now let's talk about the uses of can. Guys, can be used with the purpose of ability or to show your ability. Like a person or like a child has ability to do any work. इफ यू हैव कैपेबिलिटी, अगर आपके अंदर कोई क्षमता है, किसी काम को करने की योग्यता है, क्षमता हो, योग्यता हो या दक्षता हो, आप उस काम को कर सकते हैं, तो वी शुड यूज कैन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं लिख सकता हूँ तो आई विल टेल आई कैन राइट. अगर मैं बोल सकता हूँ तो आई कैन स्पीक. तो इस तरह से जो भी हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन के वर्क होते हैं, स्मेल करना, देखना, सुनना, चलना, दौड़ना, these are our abilities. So for them we use can. I can walk, I can speak, I can talk. Now next, let's talk about permission. Guys, can is also used for permission. आपने सुना होगा बहुत सारे बच्चों को, इवन ग्रोन अप को बोलते हुए, कैन आई टेक दिस, कैन आई राइट दिस. बट माइंड इट गाइस, यूजिंग कैन एंड मे कम्स टुगेदर एक्चुअली. जब आप बातें करते हैं कैन और मे की, तो मे की बातें जब हम करते हैं, दैट इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन कैन इन परमिशन. कैन की बातें परमिशन के सेंस में तभी होता है व्हेन यू आर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, विद योर फैमिली. रिमेंबर, कैन का परमिशन के सेंस में हम इनफॉर्मल सेंस में करते हैं. किसी के साथ जब हम बहुत ज्यादा क्लोज हो और फिर हमें उससे कुछ लेना है, फिर हमें उससे कुछ परमिशन लेनी है, देन वी शुड यूज कैन. But when we talk about formalities, having some distance, manners, respect, regard, a kind of hierarchies, then we use me. यहाँ हम can का यूज करेंगे जब हम क्लोज, जैसे आप अपने फ्रेंड से कुछ लेना चाहते हैं, you can say can I take your pen. आप अपने मम्मा से कुछ लेना चाहते हैं या अपने क्लोज वन से कुछ लेना चाहते हैं, you can take can I take your rupee, can you take your bag. So there can is used for permission, and remember it is used for informal permission. Remember guys, can is used for informal permission, used for ability. Now capability, that's what's called क्षमता, दक्षता. जो काम आपके अंदर करने की ताकत है, वो काम आप can. Suppose कोई बंदा 10 रसगुल्ले खा सकता है, so he will say I can eat 10 rasagullas. So that's capability, it's his capacity to do something. Now request, for request also we use can is used for request, but remember can का सेंस रिक्वेस्ट में थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. रिक्वेस्ट कैन उतनी पोलाइटनेस नहीं ला पाता है रिक्वेस्ट के सेंस में. एक सिंपल रिक्वेस्ट के रूप में आप यूज कर सकते हैं, कैन आई टेक दिस. इन परमिशन एंड रिक्वेस्ट बोथ seems similar with less meaning. बट जब आप बातें करेंगे इसकी कैन की रिक्वेस्ट के सेंस में, एक सिंपल मीनिंग रिक्वेस्ट देता है. उसी तरह से पॉसिबिलिटी में बहुत लेस पॉसिबिलिटी, वेरी लेस पॉसिबिलिटी, उस सेंस में हम लोग कैन का भी यूज करते हैं. जैसे ही कैन कम बट ही कुडंट, वो आ सकता था लेकिन आया नहीं, तो दैट्स देयर वाज पॉसिबिलिटी, वो आ सकता था. ही कैन, he may have the ability, उसके पास ताकत होगी, but that's why can का possibility के sense में भी use होता है. So guys, let's recapitulate once again. Can is used for ability, permission, informal permission, अपने दोस्तों के बीच close one. Capability, जो आपकी क्षमता हो, दक्षता हो. Request के sense में पूरा politeness नहीं indicate करता है, ये simple सा request के sense में, and possibility बस less possibility के sense में. And the next use is could. Guys, I have taken could because can is could is the past form of can. Remember, past form of can. Could past form है can का. Second thing, could is used for politeness. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है, जहां polite question की बातें आती हैं, politeness की बात आती है, then exactly we use could. Could, would और could की comparison अगर किया जाए तो हमारा could is better and more polite. Remember guys, could is more polite than would. So could is used for politeness, polite question. Could you sit down there silently? Could you don't mind to touch anything and listen to me? Papa. Could you do a favor to me? So like this, could is used for polite request. And remember the last, not the least, could is of course a word which shows some hope or wishes of the work, ability of the work which someone could do in the past. It means could can be used as the past possibility or ability. Remember guys, past abilities. As I have already told you, could is also used as could is also used in the reported speech as the past form of can. So I hope everything is clear to you all. Keep watching, take a snapshot, recap the videos, stop the videos, understand it, and if there is any doubt, any problem, comment in the text box and keep learning. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you are already the member of my channel, keep watching, keep learning, and keep improving your language.